Hi, welcome to Real Estate Investing Adventures. Why? Because real estate is fun and it's always an adventure. I'm Joe Jurek and I'm going to be your host. If you're a return guest, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, who the heck am I? I'm a real estate investor, get to work all over the country and work with people just like you, getting started in real estate or trying to take their real estate investing to the next level. In this video, I'm going to talk about another one of my playlists. So on my YouTube channel, you can watch one video at a time, or you can watch a playlist, which is a grouping of videos on a same subject. This subject that I'm going to talk about is the power team. Every real estate investor should assemble a power team with various power team members, from realtors to contractors to attorneys to CPA. Who is on your power team? It's really anyone and everyone that can help you with your real estate investing business. So be sure to watch the videos I've assembled. I will be adding new videos to this playlist. The other tip I want to tell you, and I'll have a golden nugget also at the end, on my website, realestateinvestingadventures.com or reia.fun. If you go under my blogging section, you're going to see a section called Power Team Questions, where I've taken probably over 50 different people that might be on your power team. So one, that'll help give you a list, and two, it'll give you questions to ask them. The same questions that I would ask somebody when I want to see if they can fit as a good member on my power team. So check that out. Once again, realestateinvestingadventures.com. Go under the blogging section, look at power team questions, and they're there to help you out. So I hope you will benefit from that. Now, the golden nugget tip, I'm getting to that, but first, if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the bottom corner here and subscribe to my channel, as well as if you want to be notified when I post videos, just go ahead and click on the bell up top. That will notify you. But I want to include one last golden nugget. So often people get a power team member and they think, okay, great, I'm done. I got somebody that can do air conditioning, okay, or I got an electrician, or I got a plumber. Like any good team, the golden nugget here is you have to have depth. If you get 2 or 3, that's a much better option. I'm in Florida, so there's times it gets really hot. And when your air conditioning goes out, if you call your HVAC air conditioning contractor and they say, well, I'm about 3 or 4 days out, that isn't going to make the tenant very happy or not make you very happy. So it's always important to have a plan B and a plan C. Just like up north, if the furnace goes out in the middle of the winter, you can't go days without heat. One, it's very uncomfortable. People can't live in the ice cold. But two, what if your pipes can freeze and break? So you should always have more than one power team member that does a specific service for you. And I always say 2 to 3 works out best. If you can get 3, that would be ideal. So go out there, crush it, go make your dreams a reality. Take care, believe and achieve. Bye-bye.
Do it now. Believe and achieve. Take care.